In this video, we're going to be discussing allocating inventory to specific jobs or sales orders. And here's how we'll start. We're going to take in our maintenance, import an auto quote. And here's just an auto quote that we have, so we're going to say import that. We have two vendors, and because they have green check marks, that means they're already linked into the positive. So we'll hit continue. Here are the items that were on that project, and because this one was imported earlier, all the little green check marks mean that they are also linked directly with auto quotes. I'm going to pick my customer. Click OK. So now we have that import in the system. If I go to my transactions and I look at my inventory, you'll see that these items were created for me through the project import. And also I have stock in every one of the items. So now we're going to go over to our pending quote, and we're going to select that we want to convert this this quote to a sales order. This will commit our inventory. And we'll hit save and ask the date that we think we're going to ship it. Is there any prepayment made on this? No. You like to print. If we say print the order, and we can show the costs, this will only give us a partial order because we're only using part of the screen. So, if everything is okay, if I go over to my sales orders, here are my items and nothing is back ordered because I have everything in stock. However, I want to reserve certain items and order other items with a purchase order. So I decided to take the first item, the conveyor toaster, and say allocate highlighted. Right now there's none allocated to this sales order. So I'm going to take this one because I have a lot of them, and I'm going to allocate one. I'm also going to take the heat lamp, and I'm going to allocate that also. So now two of my 5 items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 of my 5 items have committed inventory from my existing stock. The other 3 items I want to put on a purchase order and get those in. So what I do is I say I am now going to create a purchase order. Now remember, there were 5 items on this list. We're going to go ahead and say create PO. And we're going to say don't drop ship it, place all items on PO. And I only have the 3 that I did not allocate in advance. So these 3 are going to be ordered on a PO, not the 2 that I've already allocated out of my own inventory. So I'm going to say tag all. So these go little red check marks. Create PO. And if I click edit, here are the 3 items that are going to be on my purchase order. That is for that particular sales order. So all I have to do here is say I want to process these. And now they are on my receivers waiting to come in to the warehouse. So 2 of the items were taken from my own inventory. 3 of the items were ordered on a PO. And that's how the allocation works.